Yeah, good comment. Okay, so I just did it with the chain rule. Good comment by Michael there. Michael will be a wonderful teacher one day. So Michael, he's a good cop today, says that probably when you take the derivative of cos of 4x plus 3 times 4, it's a good idea to maybe put it in front of the cos, because then you realize it's the cosine that's multiplied by 4 and not the bracket. Okay, so you're almost done this question. The last step is going to be common factors again. What's common between these two things? Yeah, good. I'm going to call, yeah, well, let's leave the, I'll leave that part because it's sine cos. We may be able to turn to something, let's see. So I'm going to call this, I'm going to take out a 2 and a 3x minus 2. On the left-hand bracket, I should end up with 3. Action for us. Now I did change colors there so you could see like the plus, like the break in the plus. Okay, so we've seen it after this product stuff, I think, last the lifetime of this point in this course. Okay, right? But the idea is here. So this is like a middle of the road question. This is actually put this on the easier end. You should be able to do this. This will be the one I put on your test, and I want you to check whenever to get this one. Okay? So let's just make sure we know what I did there. Derivative of the first half is this. Derivative of the second half is this. Common factors of 2, and there's 1 through x minus 2 factors there as well. Okay, sort of good? Now you're ready to actually dig your heels in. Or your shoes. Okay. Here we go. Go. Now this one will be a lot more fun. Now this is cos squared x, which means cos x times cos x. Or like cos x squared, right? So there'll be a nice little chain that'll happen there. I hit pause on the video. If you need assistance, Michael will help you. Yeah, I'll help you too. Be brave and try h prime of x, please. Please? Look at Amy.
6.
Thank you.
Bracket x minus 1 bracket cos squared x plus 3 bracket x minus 1 bracket squared minus 2 sine x cos x.
Plus, that's a minus, yeah. Let's try this again. All right? Did I write that down correctly?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here's a nice thing. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. What does the 2 sine x cos x turn into? What's 2 sine x cos x? Isn't that something?
Yes.
Isn't that sine 2x? I think it is sine 2x. Yeah, it may be useful to you in the future when we get to graphing, okay? When we get to, we'll do graph. I'm not going to do it today because I don't have a good example lined up. So a good example, the graphs go nowhere, okay? So, for that. All right, so let's do it for common factors here right now. I'm going to take out then, I'm going to go down a little bit. I'm going to say h prime of x. I'm going to take out a 6x minus 1. And I'm left with a cos squared x. Minus x minus. Oh, I guess you couldn't you? Okay, good. Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay, these are all kind of, yeah, good. Good. Good find there. Minus. Does that look okay? Does that look okay? Anyway, you want to multiply that negative in just for fun, but you don't have to. Good? Okay. Oh boy. Did anyone keep going from here?
Like how much simplifying would you want us to do?
Just like this, common factor. Okay. And it might be good to simplify this, maybe to distribute that. Okay. I think I might pause there for this one, because this got away from me than I thought it was going to be. Okay. But the idea was, this shows how the chain rule, as far as what happened, it shows how the chain rule worked, how the product rule worked, I do an easy quotient rule, then we'll move on to Amy's questions from the homework, okay? So here's an easy quotient rule question. Here we go. Example 2. There you go, x sine x all over cos 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is one that's more on the doable side, on that last one, okay? So this one, there's actually a chance of actually finishing this question. Okay, so please try right now.